Hello friends, Friday ke santine kaisa private job ni notification naileyana o notification angka a reviewed automobile dealership ni bisintina kotal post okorka post ni murjak tongo workshop manager ni qualification nangnai BTech khlaija nangnai te logio automobile te mechanical sector ni experience tono nangnai te female telecaller ni bagai qualification graduate te logio good computer knowledge te experience tongke nora o post ni bagai na apply khaimanai te service supervisor ni bagai qualification automobile te mechanical ni diploma khaija nangnai te logio experience tono nangnai Inke friends noro jara jara o tinta post ni bagai experience te interested candidate tongnai te norok ni apply khaina bagai oro Gmail ID rejak tango o Gmail ID tino norok ni biodata te recent photograph send khlaima renai Inke friends noro nugui mankhana a reviewed automobile dealership ni bising te tinta post ni notification o mohai kotal job ni notification naina bagai hasteni jobs YouTube channel na subscribe khlai sabur khade te norok kotal job ni notification nugui mannai